In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Google Sheets is a simple way to make your data tell a story at a glance. Instead of scanning rows and columns to find what matters, you can let colors do the work for you. It highlights cells automatically based on rules you define, so trends, deadlines, outliers, and key text stand out without any manual effort. To get started, open your sheet and head to the Format menu, then choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel where you set up exactly how you want your data to be colored. You have two main choices: single color rules and color scales. Single color rules are great when you want a specific condition to trigger a specific highlight, while color scales are perfect for showing gradual differences across a range of numbers. With single color rules, you can base the highlight on text, dates, or a custom formula. Text-based rules help you spotlight words or phrases. For example, you might color any cell that contains a specific label so it's easy to find. Date-based rules let you emphasize items before or after a certain date, or within a range, which is especially helpful for tracking due dates or timelines. If you need more flexibility, custom formulas let you write a condition that evaluates to true or false. This is ideal when your logic spans multiple cells or you need something more nuanced than the basic options. The moment the condition is met, the cell gets the color you chose. Color scales work differently. Instead of a single color, they apply a gradient across a set of numbers to reveal patterns instantly. Lower values might fade to one side of the spectrum and higher values to the other, with everything else in between. It's a quick way to visualize performance, rankings, or distribution without building a chart. You can choose the colors that best match your style and keep them readable for everyone. Whichever approach you pick, the changes are dynamic. As your data updates, the formatting updates with it, so your sheet stays current without any extra effort. Keep your palette simple and consistent to avoid visual overload, and use clear, purposeful rules so each color has meaning. That's all there is to it. Go to Format, select Conditional Formatting, and set up either a single color rule or a color scale based on text, dates, or custom formulas. With just a few choices, your spreadsheet becomes clearer, faster to read, and far more useful.